Alright guys, Aaron here for the Love of Tech. What we're doing today is we're going glamping, and you're thinking to yourself exactly what I'm thinking. What the hell is glamping? Well, it's like glamorous camping, so it's like bougie camping. It should be fun. But I can't do a proper iPhone unboxing. I can't even be home to take possession of my beautiful Apple iPhone 11 Pro Max, 11 Max Pro. I don't know. These names are so confusing, but because of that, I'm going to the store to pick it up right now, this very moment. I wish I could do a proper unboxing for you guys, but I can't. So instead, you're coming with me on a journey, and I'm going to take my fresh out of the box iPhone 11 Max Pro to the Glamp site, and we're going to get some awesome photos. Stay tuned.
Interference defense active.
Here we go on the road to jump on the highway to go get that iPhone 11 Max Pro. Yeah, you're right. You heard me sing. I'm so freaking excited. I started singing. But you're thinking, Aaron, why did you sing? There have been reports from several YouTubers, content creators, if you will, that I respect and I appreciate and value their opinion. And they've even said that this iPhone is like a Pixel competitor. We don't know if it can compete with the Pixel 4 because we haven't seen any picture renderings of what the Pixel 4 can actually do. I'm sure they're out there, I just haven't kept up with the leaks. But anyways, this is gonna be a monumental iPhone if it can really blow the Pixel 3 or even 4 out of the water. So that's why I'm so excited. That's why I'm singing. I can't really sing. Gabe tells me I can't sing all the time, and I always sing, and I tell him, I said, the reason you're saying that is because you're afraid of my high notes. So, recording this one on the DJI Osmo. Yeah, I think there's an Osmo 2 that's about to come out or is gonna come out. But anyways, this thing's amazing. So we're rocking out recording this. It's gonna be our little covert camera as we go into Apple today. So, here we go, back on the road. There's a lot of cheering, yelling, and screaming out here. Never seen it like this before. I'm glad I got here on time. I'm so excited. I'm so happy. I'm well, how are you? So the appointment was at 8 a.m. About 8 o'clock, they let us in, and I walked out with my phone, 2 cases, and a screen protector within 17 minutes. This has to be the most efficient launch I have ever seen. Good job, guys. Good job, International Mall, Tampa, Florida. Good job, Apple. Good job. Here we go. In the car, car's not on, no air conditioning. Drive an AMG, which if you know an AMG, the engine's loud as hell. So we're gonna do this as quickly as we can. Got a Belkin screen protector because I'm about to go glamping, and I'm afraid to take the phone without a screen protector. Screen protectors from Whitestone Dome are on the way, so keep your eye out for that. We got the iPhone leather folio case, which I probably will make a whole video on this guy because it is pretty awesome all by itself. The 11 Pro Max screen protector, the clear one, because I want to show off that beautiful color. And the iPhone XS Max. Sorry for the glare, like I said, we're in the car. So let's go ahead, open it up, get it started, and let's just turn it on together, and then we'll say goodbye. For all you plastic weirdos out there. Nice, solid suction. Oh, there she goes. There she goes. She's so pretty. Again, notice only a screen protector plastic thingy on the screen, not on the back, probably because the camera hump caused all sorts of logistics. So here we go, guys. Whew. And I will say, this thing feels amazing. I love the apples right there. I think this is the stainless steel edge. So it's the same size screen as the XS Max, which is perfect. We don't need a bigger screen on the iPhone. This thing, look at this charging brick. This is like first time ever in an iPhone. We've got the lightning dongle, of course, for the earbuds. And first time ever in the box, USB-C as in Charlie to lightning port. Pretty amazing. That's all that's in the box, guys. That's all. It's an iPhone. We get a box, we get a charger, we get a cord, we get some earbuds. That's all we get. That's about it for the unboxing. This is my first ever in the car unboxing. Let's hope that Zach can get this thing edited and uploaded to you guys sometime today. For the love of tech, thanks for enjoying my iPhone experience with me. Till next time, namaste.